Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, bold, and unapologetically American. Get ready to experience luxury on an entirely new level because this is the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer, the most luxurious American convertible van ever created. At first glance, the GMC Savana Explorer already commands attention with its muscular stance and iconic van silhouette. But for 2026, this vehicle goes far beyond utility. It transforms into a rolling luxury lounge designed for those who want comfort, power, and exclusivity, all in one unforgettable package. This is not just a van, it's a statement. What makes the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer truly special is its convertible-style roof system, a rare feature in the van world. With the push of a button, the roof opens up, flooding the cabin with natural light and fresh air. Whether you're cruising along coastal highways, heading to a VIP event, or enjoying a luxury road trip, this open roof experience completely changes how a van feels. It brings freedom, style, and excitement to every journey. Step inside, and the transformation is even more impressive. The interior feels closer to a private jet than a traditional vehicle. Premium leather captain's chairs, handcrafted wood and carbon fiber accents, ambient LED lighting, and advanced climate control create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. Every detail is carefully designed to offer first-class comfort for both driver and passengers. Technology also plays a major role in the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer. Large digital displays, a high-end surround sound system, wireless connectivity, and rear-seat entertainment turn long drives into pure pleasure. Whether you're working on the move or relaxing with family and friends, this van adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Under the hood, GMC delivers powerful and reliable American performance. Smooth acceleration, confident handling, and a refined suspension ensure that, despite its size, the Savana Explorer glides on the road with confidence and ease. In a world full of SUVs and luxury sedans, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer stands alone. It's bold, luxurious, and incredibly versatile, perfect for celebrities, business executives, luxury travelers, or anyone who refuses to settle for ordinary.